5 ideas to practice your German speaking when you don't have anybody to practice with. Number 1. Speak to yourself. And if you like to see who you're talking to, speak to your mirror. Say something nice. Well, you can say anything you like. Only you can hear it, as long as it's in German.
Guten Morgen, liebe Angelika. Du bist heute sehr schön.
Number 2. Talk or sing in the shower. How often have you sung in the shower? Well, why not sing in German? Or talk to yourself in German. Recite any phrases you've learned. Belt them out, the louder the better. Number 3. Talk to your pets. Make a little mini presentation and tell your pets all about yourself in German. They won't criticize you, they won't laugh, they will just listen. If you don't have any pets, can you borrow some? Or talk to a baby or a toddler, or your neighbors or your friends? They will listen to you, even if it's a foreign language.
Hallo, ich heiße Angelika. Ich wohne in England, aber ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich bin Deutschlehrerin. Ich habe 2 Hühner. Meine Hühner legen Eier. Ich wohne in einem Reihenhaus. Und meine Hühner wohnen in einem Hühnerstall.
Number 4. Record yourself. If you have any text where you also have a recording, be it in your textbook or something online, you can practice reading it and then you can record yourself. And then afterwards listen to the original recording and compare it. If it's good, then well done, brilliant. If it's not so good, see if you can work out where your pronunciation may need improving. Here's an example. This is a text from the Willkommen 2 book, which is also on their CD. So if you wanted to practice this, you read this through first, and then you record yourself reading out loud. Die Schulzeit? Oh, das ist lange her. Wir hatten sehr strenge Lehrer. Wir mussten viel auswendig lernen, mussten still sitzen und durften nur sprechen, wenn die Lehrer uns gefragt haben. Das waren ganz andere Zeiten. Aber ich habe viel gelernt.
Die Schulzeit, oh, das ist lange her. Wir hatten sehr strenge Lehrer. Wir mussten viel auswendig lernen, mussten still sitzen und durften nur sprechen, wenn die Lehrer uns gefragt haben. Das waren ganz andere Zeiten. Aber ich habe viel gelernt.
Number 5. Talk about what you're doing. As you're going round your day, and you're on your own, say out loud what you're doing, but say it in German. Whether you're making breakfast, or making the beds, or doing the dishes, or cooking, just talk about what you're doing in as easy or as hard the sentences. You can do this in public as well, if you don't feel too brave, and I don't think I would, but then talk to yourself in your head. Nobody else can hear it, only you. But it's still good practice.
Ich koche Kaffee. Zuerst kommt Wasser in die Kaffeemaschine. Dann kommt Kaffee rein. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deckel zu. Kaffeemaschine an. Und dann warten wir auf den Kaffee. Und der Kaffee läuft und läuft und ist fast fertig. Jetzt ist der Kaffee fertig und ich kann ihn trinken. Der Kaffee riecht gut.
So there you have it, 5 ways. Can you think of any more? I'd love to hear some more ideas of how you are practicing your speaking when you don't have anybody to speak German to. Do let me know.